What's the difference between important to me and important for me? Important to me means something has personal value, emotional meaning, or significance to you. Used when talking about your feelings, beliefs, or what you care about. Examples: family is very important to me. I care deeply about them. Honesty is important to me in a relationship. That gift is important to me because it came from my grandmother. Important for me means something is beneficial, helpful, or necessary for your well-being, goals, or situation. Used when talking about something that helps you grow, stay healthy, succeed, etc. Examples: it's important for me to get enough sleep. For my health. Learning English is important for me to advance in my career. It's important for me to stay focused during exams. Quick trick to remember: to me personal or emotional value. For me practical or beneficial use. Like, share and subscribe.